today we are bringing you some simple games you can play with just a bouncy ball and a toilet paper roll. For this version, you'll drop your bouncy ball through the top and then have it hit the counter and then be the first person to have it bounce back up inside. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, no.
And it is really hard to actually get it to come all the way out and back through the top, so as long as it goes in a little bit, then you're fine. Ooh, that one was so close. It just barely went in the bottom, but not all the way in. That one did it! Yes! And he's going to keep going on it.
On to the next one.
For this version, you're going to always have the bouncy ball come from the top to the bottom, and you just want to see how many times you can bounce it in a row without having any other double bounces to get it in and through. Go! 2, 3. Oh, I got 3. So this one you can do and play for however long you want, or say the first person to get 5.
I got
Good job. Oh.
I got 2 times.
Good job. 2 times. So you can say the first person to 5, or whoever gets it the most in 5 minutes, or anything like that. So let's keep playing and see if anybody can get up to 5 times. Good job. And a little trick of the trade too, sometimes because each time the bounce is going to get a little bit smaller, if on a bounce you can get it to go through, and then when it comes back, have it kind of balance a little bit on the top. You can help lift it up while he goes to get that one, and then you get a little bit more lift for it to fall from.
Okay, so
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of them. So did you see that one? Like when it was inside, it kept shaking back and forth, and that gave you some chance to lift it up high. So 5. We'll see if he can get any more.
let's check.
Let's try it. 1. Sometimes if you have young kids where it can be really hard for them to follow the 1 bounce rule, you can always do it where they can still do it, even if it's bounced a couple times, as long as they can get it in, just to make it a little bit easier for them. I try. 2, 3, 4. Did you get 4? You got 3. Oh, way to go. And the longer we play, obviously the higher he can get, but for now, we'll go ahead and share with you the next version, which is basically a twist on this, except that it's a team game. So we're going to try and go back and forth as a team and have one person get it, and then the next, and then we'll count and see how high we can get. Starting high. 1, 2, oh, I didn't get it. Oh, but he picked it up. He would have had it had I gotten that one through. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got 3 in.
So we just got 3. We're going to show you the last one.
For the last version, we are going to have one where you hold one up super high, put the other one with a pretty decent gap in between them, and we're going to try and get it to drop through one, through the other, just like that. Good job. If you have like 10 people, you could always have them stand really tall and go all the way to the floor and see if you can do it. Make sure you leave a big enough gap in between the 2, but there is some challenge in there. Hold it really high. We got it!
We got it!
All right, extend it a little bit more. Got it. Okay, now we're going to try for a super far distance and see if we can get it. All the way up there to all the way down here. I got to try and guess which way that ball looks like it's going to go. Super high.
Maximum.
Oh, even at an angle. High 5, double high 5. So if you enjoyed these, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
I wonder if we could do this.
Whoa, ooh, it bounced and came back out of one. That was really cool.